Good afternoon, everyone. How are you, kids? Say hello to ma'am. Raise your hand. Hello to ma'am. Raise your hand, all of you. Shabash, bache, all of you are present. Show me. Show me your hand. Very good. Okay. Now, today I'm here. This is your maths class. Which one subject class? Maths class. So, this is your maths class and today we learn new digit. Okay. आज हम new digit पढ़ेंगे लेकिन उससे पहले हम before we start our class, so first we do a poem. Okay. So, are you ready for a poem? Very nice. Okay. So, repeat with me. Okay. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up stick. 7, 8, let them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hand. Very good. So again, 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up stick. 7, 8, let them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hand. Very good. So all of you clap for yourself. Sab clapping kare shabash. Clap for yourself. Very good. So today we learn new one digit, but before I will learn for you, first we revise yesterday digits. Okay, so this is your maths book and the name of this book is My First Book of Numbers, Shapes, Colors. My first book of numbers, shapes, color. Okay, this is your maths book and the name is My First Book of Numbers, Shapes, Colors. So open your books, all of you open your books and open the first page. Okay, this one. So all of you unmute your mics. बच्चे सब unmute करें अपने mic को. Okay, बच्चे अभी मैं आपसे पूछूंगी तो आप मुझे बताएंगे. Okay, all of you.
Samkina Mustafa, beta.
Okay, now Mustafa, बच्चे you tell me which digit is there?
One car.
Very good. And what is there?
Two.
One car. Very good. Okay, Afan, you tell me. Afan, which digit is there?
One car.
Yes, one. And what is this? Afan, what is this? One. Yeah, very good. One car. Very nice. Okay. Now, Urva Bache, you tell me which date is this? Urva, unmute kare mic ko shabash. And tell me which date is this? Okay, now Urva, show me your one finger. Show me your one finger, shabash. Very good, very nice. Okay, now this is one, and what is this? One car, and the color of this car is red. Very good. So the next one is the next.
Yes.
Okay, which date is this?
Two.
Two. Very good. Which date is this?
Two.
Two. Ahmed Mustafa, and what are these? What are these?
Leave.
Two leaves. Very good. Okay, Urva, show me your two
Leaf.
fingers. Urva, show me your two fingers. Okay, and show me your two eyes. Touch your eyes. Urva, touch your eyes.
Two eyes, Amor. Touch your eyes. Touch.
Yes.
Touch eyes.
One and two. How many eyes you have? Two. Two
Two.
eyes. Very good. Okay. And Afan, you tell me which date is this? Afan? Afan bache, which date is this? Afan, you are listening my voice? आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है Afan? Okay. And what are these? Two leaves. Okay, Afan, show me your two fingers. Afan, show me your two fingers. Show me. Very good. Okay, now The next one is, yes, this one.
This one.
Three.
3, yes. Which date is it?
Three balloons.
3. 3 balloons. How many balloons? 3 balloons.
Yes. Three
1,
balloons.
2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How many balloons?
1, 2, 3.
Very good. 1, 2, 3. How many balloons?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, Urva, you tell me how many balloons? Urva,
1, 2, 3.
3. Urva, how many balloons? 3 balloons. Okay, so the which date is this? Davia, you tell me which date is this? Davia, which date is this? 3. Where, and what are these? What are these?
Three balloons.
3 balloons.
3 balloons. Very good. Okay, so all of you close your books, and today we learn new digit. Okay, today we learn new digit. Okay, tell me which date is this? Can anybody tell me? 4. Which date is this?
4,
4. Very good. Which date is this?
4,
4. Okay, and I will show you the pictures that.
4.
Wow, what are these, class? What are these?
4 butterflies.
4 butterflies. Very good, very nice. Ahmed
4
Mustafa.
butterflies.
Okay, Afan, you tell me what are these? 4
Teacher to go rang. Beta.
4 butterflies. Very good. Okay.
4 butterflies.
Yes, very good. This is 4 butterflies. Okay, and Urva, you tell me how many butterflies? Show me your 4 fingers, Urva.
Teacher to go rang.
How many butterflies? Very good. 4 butterflies. Okay, now count will be bache. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many butterflies? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 butterflies. Okay, and who and tell me butterflies कहाँ पर होते हैं? गार्डन में होते हैं butterflies.
God.
गार्डन में होते हैं. Very good. Clap for Ahmed Mustafa. Very good. He is very good one. सब clapping करें अहमद मुस्तफा के लिए. शाबाश. Very good. Okay, these are 4 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now I will show you like this one. What is this, class?
Fish.
Fish.
Fish. Very good. What is it?
Fish.
Fish. And how many fishes? ये कितने fishes हैं? Okay, how? One fish. How many fish? One fish.
1.
Very good. Okay, and what is the color of this one fish?
Orange.
Orange. Very good. Now the another one is, I will show you the another one. Okay, the other one. Okay, what is this?
White.
This
Fish.
White.
White. No, bache, this is
Yellow.
orange, and this is light pink. Okay. Okay. 1.
one. This way.
1,
Yes. 2.
2.
2. How many fishes? 1, 2. Okay. And now tell me how many fishes?
2.
This way.
How many fishes?
2.
1, 2,
2.
3. How many fishes? 3 fishes.
1, 2, 3.
This way.
1, 2, 3.
Yes. How many fishes? Three. 1, 2, 3. How many fishes?
These.
Very good. Okay.
Please.
And
These.
Please.
3. Very good. Now,
Count
yes. Okay. Now count it. अब कितने हो गए हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? But I am not missing. How many fishes?
4.
4. Very good. Very well done. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? Tell me how.
4.
4. Very good. Okay. Now we will start activity. Okay. अब हम एक एक्टिविटी करेंगे. Okay, we make digit 4. Okay. First we make digit 4. अब हम digit 4 बनाएंगे. That's how we make digit 4. Okay. So सबके पास बच्चे Play-Doh है. All of you have Play-Doh. First, we make small ball like this. Look, we make small ball. What is this? Ball. Okay, now second one step is roll it like this. Okay, roll it like this. Okay, and then paste the worksheet like this. Okay, सबने इस तरह वर्कशीट पे पेस्ट करना है. हम आज कौन सा डिजिट बना रहे हैं क्लास?
Stand in line.
Make standing line. First we make stand line, straight line like this, and then अब हम 4 के 2 और hands बनाएंगे. Okay, like this. Again we make small ball like this, and then this is a ball, and then again rub it like this, roll it like this, and paste it. Okay, and this is sleeping line. Which one line?
So Gora. Chalo.
Sleeping line. Which one line? Yes, sleeping line. Okay, and
Gora.
we make again one more hand. Okay,
But boy is about.
okay, like this. We make small ball like this. See, and then roll it. Okay, like this, and then paste it. Very nice. Very good. So class, tell me
This is about standing line.
which date is this? Shabash, tell me which date is this? 4. Very good. Okay, Bache. Now we trace digit 4 and join these dots. Okay, like this.
Is where?
4. Very good, Ahmed Mustafa. Now we trace digit 4. Bache, look at this 4. We join it. अब हम इस digit 4 को join करेंगे, trace करेंगे. सब अपने pencil इस first number dot पे रख इस तरह, and then make a straight line. Come down and down, and then make a straight line. This is called which one line? Tell me. Straight line. Which one line?
Straight line, standing line.
Straight line. Very good. Okay. After straight line, we make sleep line. Okay. So put your pencil on this dot and then make a sleep line like this. Okay. So again, we make first straight line and then we make sleep line. Again, we trace straight line. सब अपने first number dot पे इस तरह pencil रखे and मेरे साथ बोले come down and down, down and down, stop. Okay, so इसके 3 hands बन गए हैं, इसके बाद इसका 4th one hand बनाएंगे. Come down and down and stop. Very good. So now tell me which date is this? 4. Which date is this? 4. Okay. I will show you some color pencils and you can tell me how many pencils. Okay. Right there. So, okay, tell me 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many pencils? Tell
Teacher,
me
how many pencils?
how many pencils?
Where? Where?
4.
4. Very good. Okay. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3,
Teacher,
4. How many pencils? 4 pencils. Okay.
4.
Now I remove this one pencil. So how many pencils are left? अब कितने pencils रह गए हैं? Count it.
also for you, teacher.
Tell me. Count it. How many?
Count it, count का 1, 2, 3, count का बच्चे.
Very good. 3 pencils. So I remove this one pencil. Now tell me how many pencils are left? अब कितने pencil रह गए हैं? 2.
Where?
2.
शाबाश.
1
He's
and 2. How many? 2
He's
pencils.
where?
Urva bachi, show me your 2 fingers. Urva, show me your 2 fingers. Very good.
Two
Okay.
fingers, teacher,
Now,
don't have.
Afan, you tell me how many pencils are left? Afan? 2. Very good. Okay. Now I remove this one pencil and you can tell me 1. Very good. How many pencils are left?
1.
Just 1. 1. Okay. Single. इसका कोई friend नहीं होता है. So, again, I will repeat for you in your books and yes. So, okay. So, which date is this? 4.
4.
Yes. And what are these class?
4.
Very good. What are these?
4.
4 fishes. 1. Say 1,
Mummy.
2, 3, 4. Very good. Very nice. So how many fishes? 4 fishes. Okay, बच्चे, who have done? किसने digit 4 बनाया है? Show me your worksheet. किसने बनाया है बच्चे? Show me. Show me your worksheet. You have done. Now show me. Very good. Clap for Urva. Very nice. Clap for Ahmed Mustafa. बच्चे, उर्वा और अहमद मुस्तफा को कल गिफ्ट मिलेगा. Okay. So the class is over and कल पे मिलेंगे. Thank you. Bye bye.